Facts about the banana tree. Banana is scientifically known as Musa sapientum, which translates as a fruit of the wise men. The banana plant is a perennial herb that grows from rhizomes. The fruit grows in large hanging clusters with 10 to 20 fingers. A hand is a group of bananas and a finger is a single banana. It is the world's largest herb and grows in humid, tropical climates. Facts about the banana tree. Bananas are low in calories and contain no fat, sodium, or cholesterol. They are high in vitamin C, potassium, fiber, and B6. Nutritive value. Bananas are one of the top 20 fruits according to the FDA. They provide fiber, are low in fat, cholesterol-free, and sodium-free, and are an excellent source of vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin B6, and potassium. A regular-sized banana contains approximately 95 calories. Certain blood pressure medications deplete the body's potassium storage. One banana eaten daily restores potassium balance. At least 5 servings of fruits or vegetables per day are recommended as an important part of the diet and to reduce the risk of cancer. According to a recent study, eating 9 or 10 servings of fruits and vegetables per day, along with 3 servings of low-fat dairy products, was effective in lowering blood pressure. Applications. A banana tree or banana plant adds a festive touch to a tropical party or special occasion. The banana plant's fruit is simple to peel and delicious when eaten raw. Bananas are not only delicious fresh, but they can also be broiled, fried, baked, sautéed, grilled, or pureed. Slices make an eye-catching edible garnish. Overripe bananas can be used to make delicious cakes, cookies, and quick breads. Produce, desserts, sauces, custards, puddings, and curries. Bananas can be refrigerated to delay ripening. Although the flesh will remain firm, the skin will darken. Place in a paper bag and keep at room temperature to speed up ripening. The banana is conveniently packaged in its own biodegradable container. Rubbing the inside of a banana peel on a mosquito bite or poison ivy will help prevent itching and inflammation. Rub the inner part of a banana peel on a scrape or burn to relieve pain, reduce swelling, and keep the wound from becoming infected. The inside of the banana peel contains potassium, magnesium, and manganese, which can help whiten your teeth naturally. Every night, rub the inside of a banana peel on your teeth for about 2 minutes. Rub a banana peel on your forehead to relieve a headache. When mixed with garden soil, the phosphorus and potassium content of bananas and banana peel can make an excellent fertilizer. Bananas are a high nutritional value healthy snack. A banana contains approximately 75% water. Bananas come in a variety of colors, including red, yellow, and green. They form large hanging clusters. The fiber extracted from banana plants can be used to create clothing. Banana leaves are large and flexible, making them ideal for use as disposable plates or food containers. Banana flour is used as a vegetable in Asian cuisine and consumed either raw or steamed or used in curries. The tender stem or inner core of the banana tree trunk is also used to make healthy salads or eaten as a lightly cooked curry in Indian cuisine. The inner part of the banana peel can be used to clean and polish leather shoes. Bananas are slightly radioactive, but the level of radiation is not high enough to cause harm. Seasons of availability. Banana trees are available all year. Popular Asian cuisine has expanded the market's availability of edible banana products. When peeled and sliced, the banana heart, the tender core of the trunk, is a delicious addition to dishes, but it does require a saltwater soak for a few hours before use. However, be aware that the sap from the banana trunk stains clothes and hands and is difficult to remove. When cutting into the trunk, gloves and coveralls are recommended. The banana shoot is also a delectable snack. When allowed to grow without sunlight, thick long white spikes sprout near the base of the plant and are treated similarly to white asparagus. However, the sprouts are protected by a pot rather than dirt. In Indonesian cuisine, banana shoots are roasted in hot ashes. Although inedible, exotic banana leaves make excellent wraps for boiled, grilled, steamed, or baked foods. Festive banana leaves add a delicate flavor to foods. Ethnic and cultural information. During the slave period, roasted green bananas were thought to provide almost the sustenance of bread, according to culinary historian Luis de Camara Cascudo. The banana was named by Buddha as a symbol of the futility of earthly possessions. This tree's fruit is especially popular in Hawaiian cuisine. This versatile popular fruit is enjoyed in Brazilian cuisine when blended into beverages, roasted and ground into flour, boiled and mashed into purees, fried, baked, or simply eaten raw out of hand. Geography and history. Banana trees, which were once wild and native to Southeast Asia, are now cultivated in most humid tropical regions. The banana is not a tree in the traditional sense, it grows on a herbaceous plant. The banana plant, which is neither a tree nor a palm, is actually a massive clumping tropical herb. Even more perplexing, bananas are botanically a berry, so they are both a fruit and a herb. The banana plant's false trunk is formed by an underground stem called a rhizome, which produces large leaves. A flower spike with several individual flowers emerges, eventually producing edible banana fruits. When Africa introduced the banana plant to Brazil, a local variety of banana known as pacova was already growing in that part of the world. Even ancient Egyptians enjoyed the culinary qualities of the Abyssinian banana, musa and seet, but early Europeans discovered more palatable bananas. A small Chinese banana was brought to the Canary Islands from the East Indies in 1516 and was soon cultivated for consumption. Many banana varieties thrived in tropical countries by the 19th century, thanks to their sweet and delicious flavor. Unfortunately, most of these early varieties are now extinct, and only high-yielding commercial cultivars remain. Temperatures between 86 and 96 degrees Fahrenheit during the day and 72 to 84 degrees Fahrenheit at night are ideal for growing bananas.